Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we are unboxing GlossyBox. I have already popped the lid on it so that you didn't have to listen to the to get the box open. But when we open it up, inside we have our pretty pink glossy box, which I love, and you guys hear me go on and on about because I use it to store so many of the samples we get or to send things off. They are so sturdy and nice. So this is our October 2019 Glossy Box, and Glossy Box is a beauty subscription box that generally has 5 or 6 products in it, full size, deluxe samples, regular sample sizes, and is $21 a month, but you can pay for more months in advance and that will reduce your cost. I also have, spoiler alert, I ordered the Glossy Box Advent Calendar and it has shipped. So I should have that soon. And I think I'm just going to open it all. I thought about just doing it on my Insta and doing one day at a time. But I think when it gets here, I'm just going to open it all. Let me know below if you have any opinions on that. Once we take the lid off, this is what the Glossy Box looks like. And this is our little paper that will tell us everything we need to know. And it's always wrapped up so nicely. And when we get it unwrapped, this is what we see. So the paper is just a pretty pink piece of paper, tells us a little story, and then on the inside, boop, shows us what's in the box. Let's see what they say about this month. Oh, well, it's talking about the Advent Calendar, and it says, don't forget to snag yourself a Glossy Box Advent Calendar. This may be one of our biggest box values, and it says it's over $500. It's $99, but if you're a Glossy member, it's $89. And the other side says, grab your lattes, Glossies. No problem there. Fall brings out the cardigans and the pumpkin spice in all of us. However, with the seasons changing, you should also follow suit with your regimen. Chillier weather is here, so we need to give our skin the rest and preparation it needs for the perfect autumn glow. And that is true. I completely change my skincare in the winter because my face gets so much drier. I mean, so much drier. Okay, let's dig in and see what we've got. Right on top, I have a Skin & Co. Face Gommage Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Now, I think the difference between this, a gommage, and a regular exfoliant is, I think you put this on your skin and you let it dry down, and then you kind of, and it buffs itself. It'll get kind of gritty and ball up a little bit, and that's what actually does the exfoliating. I think the story I'm telling is true. And this is 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce, and that's what the bottle looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says. Skin & Company Aroma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. That is a lot of words for this little product. It says that this is a featured size of 30 ml, but the full size is $28. And like I do in my other videos, I will let you know down here what the value of what we actually received is. A delicate exfoliating cream. This face gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and a unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. I have used this. We get this in some of our other boxes, and I have actually used, they have a mist that I use that I love. And what else have I tried from them? Oh, and I used one of their face cleansers that I did in a FabFitFun edit that is just kind of a lotiony type cleanser. I like it. I'll be digging it out for winter. Next we have Illamasqua. Keep putting my glasses up on my head. The Hydra Veil Refreshing Gel, 7 ml, 0.2 fluid ounces. And that is what the box looks like. Dig in here and see. Aww. This is what the little tub looks like. It's so pretty. I like how it looks. It would be really pretty sitting on a vanity. Let's see what this says. The Illamasqua Mini Hydra Veil, and this is the featured size, 7 ml. A full size would be $35. It is a gel, a hydrator, and a primer all in one. Say hello to smoother skin with this self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C, and B3 work together to help maintain the skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy-looking, balanced finish. Well, I am Let's see if it's sealed. Close enough. Oh, look at the top. It's got one of the cute little lids. I'm going to go ahead and leave this sealed and add it to my giveaway. I am getting close to my 3K. So I've started putting together my giveaway, and this will be perfect in it. Let's see what else we've got. Next, I have the John Masters Organics Geranium and Grapefruit Body Wash and the Geranium and Grapefruit Body Milk, and they're each 2 fluid ounces. And that is what that looks like. Those are really good sizes for body products. And this says that the featured size is 60 ml times 2, but the full size would be $48. Just because summer is gone doesn't mean you can't smell like the season. With geranium flower to soothe and tone and grapefruit to help balance and refresh, this body care duo will lock in that summer glow even when the temperature drops. Let's see if they're sealed. Well, since it's not sealed, I'm not going to put it in the giveaway, so. It's a very light smell. Let's see if we can smell it better in the lotion. Is this sealed? Are you sealed? Nope. It's really light. Let me just put a little bit. When you put it on, you get a little bit of the geranium, kind of floral, not so much geranium, because I don't think of geranium as necessarily a great smell. But it's kind of floral with a little bit of grapefruit. It'll be great to try. It does smell like summer though. Interesting they would put it in a fall box. But it smells good. As it sits there, I can smell the grapefruit of it. So it's really nice. Okay, next I have the -417 Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. And this is sealed, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it sealed and show you guys this. And tell you that the paperwork says -417 Firming Radiant Mud Mask. This is the featured size of 20 ml and a full size would be $39. This dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating and nourishing mud mask is based on a unique blend of Dead Sea mud that deeply cleanses the skin, absorbs excess oil, and all traces of impurities. So while your skin is gently exfoliated, your skin's dead cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. I have to tell you, I love the Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in that giveaway that I have started talking about. And last but not least, and I am so excited about this, I saw a Southern mom do her unboxing and she talked about this, and it is a Bella Pierre Pro Concealer Palette. Let's open this up. I have, those of you that watch the channel know, I fight a lot of redness and so many things. And this is a corrector palette. Oh, yes. And it has 3 correcting colors in it. It's got the green, the salmon, and just a general, well, if you're my color, I suspect, a general concealer color. See how you can see that? And I will absolutely use this. This is what it looked like from the front. Because I will use, it's very creamy. The green I like, because I have my makeup on so it won't work, but let's see if I can get them to show on my hand. The green color corrects red, because what they do is you go to the opposite end of the spectrum of the color you're trying to cover. So I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got a little green to it. And then the next one is a salmon-y color, and I use, this is so creamy, I use a Bobbi Brown salmon color under my eyes before I actually do my concealer, and I think the Bobbi Brown under eye color corrector that is salmon colored does more to cover up my dark circles than the actual concealer does. This is very nice. It is not as salmon-y. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so light. But it's not as salmon-y as the one that I use, but it's very nice. And then the last one is just, for me, I think, concealer colored, but it is very light. There are not a lot of people that is going to work for. I mean, it's right there. It blended right in with my skin. You probably can't even see any of those, and I am sorry, but trust me when I tell you, this is so creamy and nice. I love it. Let's see what the paperwork says. Can you hear it raining? If you hear a little bit in the background, this is the first rainy day we've had in forever. And I tape upstairs and it sounds, I love the sound of rain on the roof. I just love it. This says that the Bella Pierre Pro Concealer Palette is full size and as featured and is a $50 value. Color correcting is a well-known makeup artist tactic to banish imperfection through the use of colors that cancel each other out. And with this palette of color correcting concealer, you can say goodbye to imperfections till your nighttime routine. That is it for my October 2019 Glossy Box, and I really like it this month. It's a nice variety. We got the nice Bella Pierre color corrector, which I will for sure use, the John Masters body wash and body cream in Geranium Grapefruit, the minus 417 mud mask that I'm going to go ahead and put in the giveaway, and the Skin & Co. face gommage for exfoliating, and the Illamasqua that I'm going to go ahead and put in the giveaway. So I'm really pleased. I think it was a great box this month, and I cannot wait to get my advent calendar. I haven't seen any spoilers on it, so I cannot wait to get in there and see what's in that box. Just for the record today, I have on, if you've watched my recent unboxings, I am wearing both the Betty Boop eyes and lips today. And I like them. The eyes are really subtle. There's not a lot going on. And the lips, it's a great color. They call it mauve, and personally, to my way of thinking, this is darker than a mauve. That said, I love the color. It's a great color. And it's a nice formula too. So thanks for coming by, guys, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great day, guys. Bye.